Ever questioned whether your testosterone levels are on a downward slope? Testosterone, a vital hormone, plays a crucial role in our bodies. It's responsible for maintaining muscle mass, fueling libido, and influencing mood, among other things. If it begins to decline, your body won't shy away from giving you signs. From fatigue to low sex drive, your body might be hinting at a testosterone dip. Stay tuned as we delve into the 9 definite signs that your testosterone levels are declining. Our first sign is a decrease in sex drive. For many, this could be an early red flag, indicating a dip in testosterone levels. Testosterone plays a vital role in libido or sex drive in both men and women. So if you're experiencing a sudden or gradual decrease in your desire for sexual activity, your testosterone might be on the decline. Next, we have erectile dysfunction. Now, testosterone isn't the only player in achieving an erection, but it does stimulate the brain to produce nitric oxide, which triggers a series of chemical reactions necessary for an erection to occur. So, trouble in the bedroom might be a sign of low testosterone. The third sign is a reduction in semen volume. Testosterone aids in the production of semen, the milky fluid that aids in the motility of sperm. Less testosterone could mean less semen, which might affect fertility. But these are not the only indicators. Let's move on to more signs. Another clear sign is hair loss. You see, testosterone plays a vital role in hair production, so when levels start to decline, you may notice a thinning crown or a receding hairline. It's not just about vanity, it's a sign that your body is undergoing changes. Next up, we have fatigue. Everyone feels tired now and then, but if you're consistently feeling drained, it might be more than just a busy schedule. Low testosterone levels can lead to a decrease in energy, making you feel constantly tired even after a full night's rest. Lastly, for this segment, is the loss of muscle mass. Testosterone aids in the building and strengthening of muscles. A decrease in this hormone could lead to a noticeable reduction in both muscle size and strength. This could affect your overall physical performance and wellness. There are still more signs to watch out for. Sign number 7 is an increase in body fat. Testosterone plays a significant role in regulating fat distribution in your body. When testosterone levels drop, you may notice an unusual increase in body fat, particularly around the waist. Moving on to sign number 8, a decrease in bone mass. Testosterone helps to strengthen your bones. Thus, lower levels of this hormone might lead to thinner, weaker bones, increasing your risk of fractures and osteoporosis. It's crucial to keep an eye out for any unexplained bone pain or fractures. Lastly, sign number 9 is mood changes. Testosterone influences many factors that can affect mood, including energy levels, concentration, and overall sense of well-being. So, a decline in this hormone can lead to feelings of sadness, irritability, or a general lack of focus. Remember, these symptoms don't necessarily mean you have low testosterone. They could be due to other health conditions. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional if you experience these signs. These are the 9 definitive signs that your testosterone levels are declining. So, to recap, the 9 signs of declining testosterone are noticeable fatigue, emotional changes, decreased strength, lowered sex drive, increased body fat, difficulty with concentration, reduced muscle mass, hair loss, and sleep disturbances. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be time to consult with a healthcare professional. And remember, knowledge is power. So share this enlightening information with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.